Michelle, and I'm going to show you how to use your little tire pump that comes with your Zoom360 stroller. So if you can't find it, we kind of hide it from you, and it's in here in the basket. You'll see it attached to some Velcro right down here. So once you get that out, you maybe need to put a little air in your tire. This is the tire pump. You're going to pull this little brass part out. Then you're going to turn it over and you're going to attach it like so. Then you're going to take off the little cover on your tire. You're going to attach that. Just kind of screw it on. And then you can pump and put your air in, put your cap back on, and you'll be good to go.